Welcome, fellow Toastmasters. My name is Danielle, and I'm here with Anthony Renault, District 61 sponsored chair, and we'll talk about the workshop from Toastmaster to entrepreneur. Hi, Tony.
Hi, Danielle. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Tony, what exactly is the workshop Toastmaster to entrepreneur?
I'm so glad you asked that, Danielle. This workshop, From Toastmaster to Entrepreneur, is all about learning by doing, because that's what we do here in Toastmasters. We learn by doing. We learn to public speak by getting up and delivering speeches in front of our clubs. We learn leadership by taking on executive roles in our clubs, or even at the district level. In this workshop, we're going to be learning about the skills required to be an entrepreneur by learning how those skills can be developed when a Toastmaster helps create and charter new clubs, or by growing the membership in our existing clubs. We have two fantastic keynote speakers, experts in their field, who are going to come and show us. We have Alfonso Quadra, Distinguished Toastmaster, and we have Rick Furbish. Along with that, we're going to have workshops where you can ask the experts or even workshop some new ideas of your own with your peers. It's going to be fantastic.
The keynotes sound promising. Can you tell me more about Alfonso Quadra and Rick Furbish?
Danielle, it'd be my pleasure. Our first speaker, Distinguished Toastmaster Alfonso Quadra from District 61, is an expert entrepreneur. He is the CEO and president of the Quadra Group of Companies and the founder of the Quadra Foundation for Youth. He's an author. He's been published about in magazines, published in over 16 countries, and he's going to share with us his expertise on building companies and being an entrepreneur and how the skills of Toastmasters can help you with that. Our second speaker, Rick Furbish, is the former governor of District 47. Rick has started over 100 different Toastmasters clubs, 100. The man is an expert on starting clubs, so much so that he's developed his own process called the Rick Furbish method, which we ourselves are using certain elements of here in District 61. He's going to come and share with us his skills and expertise in how to build membership and build new clubs. It's going to be really exciting.
Amazing. This is not to miss. Can you remind me when's the workshop?
Absolutely. The workshop's going to be on November 7th, right after the TLI. The Zoom meeting will open at 1 o'clock, and the event will start at 1:30 sharp and last till 4 p.m. So come in the morning for your officer training, and then stay in the afternoon to learn some amazing new skills that you can use, whether you're an entrepreneur or whether you just want to use those type of skills to help build your own club. Hope to see you there.
Thank you, Tony, for your time.
Thank you, Danielle. I was thrilled to be able to get this opportunity to share the news about this exciting event on November 7th. I hope to see you there.